You see, Gita, there is a report which came out, and I think the report, I can say that it was factually incorrect. We did reach out to countries across all geographical regions. We did write to our missions and posts. We did tell them that to share our perspectives on CAA and NRC to the host government. Now, there are 3-4 points which we asked the missions to share. The first is that this is an internal process. This is a matter internal to India. Number one. Number two, we also asked them to convey to them that the Act just provides expedited consideration for Indian citizenship to persecuted minorities already in India from Pakistan, Afghanistan, and Bangladesh. Number three, we also conveyed to them that it does not affect the existing avenues which are available to other communities from seeking citizenship or those who are interested in seeking citizenship. And number four, it also does not seek to strip anybody from any Indian citizen of any faith. And more importantly, I think something which has been going on in the foreign press, that it does not in any way alter the basic structure of the Constitution. So these are the points which we conveyed to our ambassadors and consul generals. We asked them to reach out not only to their interlocutors in the government, but also to the media as well. Now, depending on the subject matter at hand, I think the engagement may differ. On many occasions, we do conduct a very proactive diplomacy here in Delhi. In this case, we realize that there is a lot of explaining which is involved. You have to go out and brief the capitals. There could be some questions which will come your way, and therefore a two-pronged strategy was adopted. That apart from reaching out to some of the resident ambassadors and high commissioners who are based here, we will also ask our ambassadors and high commissioners abroad who are posted in different missions to engage with capitals across different countries. On the phone issue, you see, there was a report that they have stopped. Then there was another report that the decision has been revoked. So whatever the decision was, I think it doesn't exist on the ground at this point of time. I think that got resolved itself. On the other question, you see, we have explained our position to the Bangladeshi government on the NRC. We have said that this is an internal matter of India. And if you have been following their public pronouncements, from the government, from their foreign secretary, they have also made comments, on NRC. All these reports which are coming out on this matter, they are based on source. They can't be verified. So it is difficult for me to comment on such reports. देखिए, ये तो हमने बताया है कि दोनों अलग-अलग प्रोसेस हैं. CA और NRC का आपस में कोई संबंध नहीं है. CA के NRC के बारे में हमने यही बताया है कि ये सुप्रीम कोर्ट मैंडेटेड प्रोसेस है. ये हमारा इंटरनल मामला है और ये जो हम कर रहे हैं, ये दिस इज अ डायरेक्शन बाय द सुप्रीम कोर्ट. इट इज़ मैंडेटेड बाय द सुप्रीम कोर्ट and also monitored by the Supreme Court. So, and if you notice the reaction which we have received, from across the world, barring a few countries, we feel that most of the countries have accepted that this is an internal matter of India, and that is what is getting reflected in their reactions and their pronouncements.